Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the future of recruiting and how TikTok is playing a major role in recruiting. And most importantly, how to create a recruiting strategy on TikTok to help hire for your small business. All right, y'all, before we get into this video, I want y'all to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to download my free guide on HR Essentials for Small Businesses, and it's free. Free. Okay, back to the program. Okay, so TikTok is no longer a platform just for Generation Z. Are we up to Z already? Okay, whatever. Just to dance and create funny viral videos. It's also now becoming a very powerful tool that businesses are using to recruit their top talent. So we all know the trends, we all know the challenges, we all know the dancing, we all know all these funny videos, things that are coming out of TikTok. TikTok has over 1 billion users. 1 billion people are on TikTok. But with so much content on TikTok, how do you make sure your recruiting efforts stand out? I have some tips. 3 tips for you on how to do this. Tip number 1. TikTok users are drawn most to the content that is creative, that's authentic, that's visually appealing, and most often that are fun, right? So here's an idea for you. For example, you can get your employees together and you guys can do like a lip sync challenge to like a popular song, right? There's always a popular song that's trending on TikTok. Take advantage of it. Get your employees involved and do like a lip sync challenge, right? Or you can start your own challenge, right? So if you're a marketing company or if you're looking for a marketing manager for your team, create your own challenge where you have people submit their favorite digital marketing hack or their favorite social media marketing hack, right? So it's a 2-win. Like you get to get hacks and you possibly can get to find your next best marketing person for your team. Tip number 2, use relevant hashtags and trends to reach your target audience. So TikTok hashtags is a great way to get your video seen by more people, right? So you can use hashtags as part of your recruiting efforts, right? So let's go back to the example where I said if you were a marketing company or you needed a marketing manager on your team, use the hashtag marketing or hashtag social media. Or if you're looking for, I don't know, like let's make this up, a software engineer, right? Use hashtag coding, hashtag software engineer. You know, those keywords that you will use in your job description or your job title, use it in your TikTok videos so that people are searching for it and are attracted to it. If there's a TikTok trend that is relevant to your industry or your business, you should be participating in that, right? And so what does that look like? It looks like, I don't know, I'm making this up. If you're like a burger company, right? You're like the best flipping burger company in Houston, right? Y'all flip the hell out of burgers. Y'all make the best burgers in Houston, right? I'm using this as an example. And if there's a TikTok trend of who has the best burgers in the country, you need to get up on that, right? That's a chance to show your company what you guys do best, and your products or your services or whatever. So tap into the trends that are relevant to any product or services that you offer for your business. Tap into that because you can use it for your advantage. Tip number 3, run TikTok ads to reach a larger audience. You can also use TikTok ads to promote specific job openings. By following the tips in this video, you can create a recruiting strategy on TikTok that's effective and engaging for your company. And if you don't have a TikTok page for your company, I highly encourage you do it because I'm telling you now, TikTok is where it's at. I had to learn the hard way. It's where it's at. Thank you again for watching and tuning in. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to put some comments in the below comment area. And if you have any questions or feedback, then feel free to let me know. Thank you, and I am out. Boop.